Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a super useful topic, syncing calendars in GoHighLevel to avoid scheduling conflicts. Let's dive in. First, log into your GoHighLevel account. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings section on the left-hand menu. Next, click on Integrations. This is where the magic happens. We'll focus on integrating Google Calendar for this tutorial. Click Sign in with Google and follow the prompts to authenticate your account. Be sure to grant GoHighLevel the necessary permissions to access your calendar. Awesome! Now, let's configure our calendar settings. Go to Calendars in the main menu and select Calendar Settings. Here, tap on the Connection option. You'll see options for Linked Calendar and Conflict Calendar. The Linked Calendar is where all new events from GoHighLevel will appear, ensuring you can view them on your Google Calendar. Select a Linked Calendar. Make sure you have writer's access to your Google Calendar. Next, let's set up the Conflict Calendar to avoid double bookings. Select a Conflict Calendar. Events marked as busy on your Google Calendar will block your availability in GoHighLevel, preventing scheduling conflicts. You can add multiple calendars for comprehensive coverage. And there you have it! Grab your 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel now and schedule your kickoff call using the link in the description. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.